Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a collection with Bob the Builder. Wow, look at all these sets. First we have the Pullback Lofty. Hey Lofty, how are ya? Wow, his crane turns all the way around. It goes up and down too. He's got such a fun face. He's got pull-back action. Good job, Lofty. Here we have Bob and Dizzy. Look, Bob is holding a hammer. He's also got a hard hat on. The cement mixer is ready to work at the job site. The cement mixer moves. It also has tough tread tires. You can collect them all. Here's Scoop. He looks so happy. He also comes with a construction barrier. It's a sawhorse. He's got an adjustable front bucket and backhoe. Wow, he's also got tough tread tires. He's so fun. Here's Muck. He's ready to do some bulldozing. Look at those tough treads. His bucket actually moves up and down. He also has this barrel playpiece. He has an adjustable front bucket and an open box bed. Here's Two-Tonne. Wow, that cab is ready to carry a heavy load. This also comes with a crate playpiece. Look, it's got the B on it for Bob the Builder. It includes a construction crate. It also has a low loader to carry the crate. Wow, Two-Tonne, you're really cool. We have the whole collection. There's Two-Tonne, and Scoop, and Dizzy and Bob, and Muck. These look like so much fun to play with. I can't wait to open them up. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.